Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is Thursday and I'm heading to campus. I'm going for a camera workshop, for the photography workshop. So we're gonna be like setting up a whole photography set, photo shoot set, and then we're gonna be taking pictures of each other. So basically the class is about not necessarily learning about the camera, because we already did that. We're literally just learning like how to set up the equipment for a photo shoot. So the screen, the lights, everything that needs to be done. And that's basically what we're gonna do today, plus take pictures, because we already did learn about the kit, the photo shoot kit, everything that's inside and how it's packaged. Today is where we also put in the work. So I'm excited and I wanted to share the day with you. So I just got ready. I did a light makeup look, nyana, and then I'm gonna get half dressed and then I'm gonna leave because I'm already late. So I think we should get going. I like how my eyes look brown. Hi. Let's get going. Girl, look at that one. Damn.
Yeah.
The lighting. Time to get food. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Palisa made me this. It's so cute. I'm dying. Like, it's so cute. She has made me so many now. I think I have like 3, and I love them all. I can't wait to like get a clear phone case so I can put them behind my phone case. But I'm waiting for Ncwadi so we can eat, because I bought her some pie as well. So yeah, there was a sale, so I bought her one, and yeah, I can't wait to sleep. Like, I can't wait to sleep. I need water. $42.
Yeah. Hello. Hi. Good, are you? She bought cold.
Nice. But I can't stay mad at you for anything. I won't drink it. Oh, okay. You know what I love? White bread.
No.
No, because black people. I'm having bread, Sana.
What are you? Bread? Patty?
This half potato is gonna make chips.
Half.
And I'm gonna have avocado and bread.
Like last time.
Like last time. Yes. It was nice. I enjoyed it.
Courtney, what's up with the Wi-Fi? You have this big ass house.
I know it. I'm saving something. I know I'm saving something.
It's radiation.
It's radiation. The earth is dying.
You're gonna die anyway. Might as well do it with sending a good Snapchat group.
Hi. Oh. Not your face. Okay. Show me my bias.
Your bias, you like a leader. Hey,
Yes. What's his name?
Bang Chang.
Okay, let's see if you know anyone else.
Besides Felix.
Besides Felix, no one else, ne?
No one else. Literally. The same person. Wait, give me that. Oh! Okay, who?
You know.
JK.
Yes.
That's my man. That's my end.
You know.
Shh. It's not sugar.
It's no.
It's Jimin.
It's Jimin.
Where is Jimin? Is Jimin a little bit? He's a little bit sassy.
Yeah. Even when he speaks, Baba.
Okay, we know him.
Mm-hmm.
RM.
Mommy.
He has nice eyes. And we have Sugar.
Yes. I'm so proud of you. Yeah.
J-Hope. Done.
Yes,
Okay, that's
you
it.
ate that.
And then, is it you? Wait, well, no, it's not you. I mean, it's like, I didn't see him.
Still,
Did
you did.
I did.
Yes.
So it was who? It was Jin.
Yes. Oh.
Well, good. We can both go with clean air.
Yeah, I guess so.
Hi, gang. Today started out so weird. Not weird. Bad. I bought my pens that I've only worn once. Like, I don't know Nikki Jacket saying. Okay, I was late for class, so I was in a rush. And I was like, shit, I need to iron them again because they were wrinkled. And the first time I ironed them from like the inside. So I was like, let me just iron them again. And then as soon as I put it, burn my pants, my whole thigh. Damn, like I'm so sad. Now that I'm thinking about it, it's quite sad because I loved those pens and I've only worn them once. Because like I was like, these are not pens that I can just like wear regularly. Oh my days, my heart. But then I went to school and then the taking of the pictures happened and then I just had a good time. I totally forgot about the pens. I just had a good day in the studio. Like, wow, every time I'm just holding a camera and I just realize how much I love photography. Like, give me jobs. I'm hiring the picture. But like, oh my days, I had a really good day. Like, and I slept so much in the afternoon. Like, after I finished eating, I slept. I think I slept for like, I took a 5-hour nap. Basically, I took a 5-hour nap, and then I woke up to I woke up and made food, and yeah, now I'm just eating some ice cream and watching Gossip Girl. I've already watched Gossip Girl before, like a long time ago, and I'm just rewatching it. I'm actually jumping between a lot of series. I'm watching Gossip Girl, I'm watching Scandal, which is The Fixer in South Africa. I'm watching a K-drama called something. I think I'm watching 3 K-dramas in total that I'm jumping across. And then yeah, I don't want to start watching The Boys now because I just finished Gen V and I'm not ready to start The Boys. Like, that show's so much blood. But like, yeah, otherwise, what a pretty day. I had a good day. I spent too much money today on food, so that's disgusting. But no more, I think. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to do all the shandies. Like, I'm watching my screen right now. Bye. Mwah.